This is tutorial 7 of my Python programming series. Please make sure that you have seen the last videos, otherwise you won't understand anything that I'm going to say in this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys about a new thing called a loop. Now, you've heard about if and else loops, like conditional statements and stuff like that. However, you have not heard about a for loop. Now, what a for loop is, so if I was to get rid of this, okay, so make sure you like you're in your depository, like in your ID, something like stuff like that. And now over here, so first let me show you an example, then I'll break it down to you guys. So I'll say for x in range. So here I put these brackets and I write 0, 10. Now over here, I can put a colon, and here I'll put x. Now, since okay, so what I'm doing here is basically, so I'm saying that so this is an iteration. So what I am saying that I want to Python to increase x's value by 1 each time. So the default is 1. Now, if you wanted to do more, like for example 2, you can just put a comma here and put. You just put a comma here, put something like 2. However, we want to keep this by 1 for now. Now, what will happen here is that this loop will run until this value over here will reach. So this whole loop will keep on repeating itself until this value is reached. So what we are saying is that for x in range, meaning keep on running this loop until x is not less than 10. So even if x is 10, it still won't print because 10 is not less than 10. It is just the same as 10, as I put in the last video. So I'll say for x in range of 0, 10. So here it's gonna print from 0 to 9. Now let's check this out. And yes, it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 9. So what basically is happening here is that each time this loop runs, it's going x plus equals to 1. So basically it means we're adding 1 to we're adding 1 to whatever value x is at the moment, and we're adding 1 to get the next value. So what's happening is, since for x is 0, so x right now is 0 because we have 0 over here. I'll start putting 0. So x is 0 right now. All it's saying is in range, meaning we want you to add 1 each time. So what it's going to do, it's going to add 1. So now x is 1. Now it's going to run again. And it will add 1 again. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So x is 2 now. And then so on and so on until it reaches 10. Now you see it hasn't printed the value 10. That's because 10 is not less than 10. 10 is just the same as 10, so it's not going to print it. However, if I wanted it to print 10, I could increase the value here, and I could see then it would just print me out to 10. Now, let's say you didn't want to start at 0. Let's say you wanted to do higher numbers, so 23 for example, and here I could put 10. Now this is possible, so it will just say for x to start at 10, and then it could go on to 23. So let's run this. Sorry. And it will go from 10 to 22 because it won't go to 23. So now, since we have this over here, let's say you didn't want to let's go from 0 to 10. Let's go from okay. Now let's say you didn't want to increase by 1 each time. Let's say you want to increase by 2. So you can put a comma and a 2. So basically what's happening here is that, so I can explain this in short term. So I'll explain this for a comment. So I can say, so this first value, let me put the brackets there. So this first variable, this is the starting position. So it is the starting position, okay? And then we have our ending position, so our stopping position. So here is our stopping position, and over here we have our steps. So the amount, the amount that I'm going to be adding to x each time. So here I'm going to be writing stepping number. Now, adding these kinds of comments is helpful because it helps you guys understand and like just like anyone who looks at your code to see what you are doing and what how this is working. So here we have put 2. Now this will print from 0 till whatever number it stops at. So I'll run and see it print 02468. It won't print 10 again because it's not the same. It is the same, it's not less. So it's going to print that. Wait, let me just get rid of this. It's not necessary. Let's print it again. It's going to come in the same value. Here I could, let's say, I could print up to maybe 5. It will just come with 0 and 5, and then 3, and so on and so on. Like, you get the idea, right? So this is how a for loop can be used. Now for loops like these can be used in in advanced Python. So let me take an example. So let's say like you were creating an application and you wanted to repeat something until a certain value was achieved. Yeah, say for example you're playing a guessing game, like a random box game, and so you have set your variable. So here I'll put this in comments. So let me put double comments. So these are string comments basically. So if you want to so okay, so here I could just say here I'm just gonna say that x is equals to, so this is a multi-line comment, so if I were to do this, all of this stuff is gonna be printed like commented out, okay? And so here I'm gonna say x is equals to let's say 6, okay? 6. And then here if I wanted to run this, I could put an advanced function such as a random and make it choose from a list such as this, such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, okay, fine. 0, 0, 6, 7, 8. You get the idea. So it's gonna choose from stuff like this, and then here, what I want it to position is to a 60. So if I was to put a random function here, it would choose one out of the box, and I could use my for loop and say until x does not equal to 60, keep on running this loop. So this can be used. So don't worry about this now. This is just about advanced stuff. Like because people like many people say like all these beginner things, are they gonna be used when you're doing advanced Python? Then I will say yes, because fundamentals of Python are the most important and is what every examiner is gonna ask. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Hope that you like my content, and hope I'm helping you guys learn this new a new programming language. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and keep watching for more daily content.